I'm Ken Bassey at the Live News Desk. We're getting some interesting body cam video now coming in from the night when a YouTube software engineer allegedly went on a drug-fueled rampage in Bodega Bay. This happened back on July 4th. 32-year-old Batai Kulfi had taken LSD, according to his friends. They say that he immediately started punching, choking, and stabbing several people in the place where they were staying. And then they say he took off to a nearby home. We want to warn you that some of the video is a little bit hard to watch because it shows a security guard arriving at the home. He calls for backup. Kofi is accused of stabbing the security guard with an outdoor light spike before taking off in his truck. Moments later, you can see that same truck run down two women who are walking along the roadway. Fortunately, though, both those women survived, and this is what police had to say.
Stop! K3, shot fire! Shot fire!
And that's the actual incident there. Coffee was located a short distance away. Officers say they told him to get out of the truck, but that's when he started driving toward them. He was shot at least 3 times before being airlifted to a hospital. He survived as well. He's now facing multiple charges, including attempted murder and carjacking. Kofi's attorney says that he will likely undergo rehab for several months. That's the latest on this story at the Live News Desk. Back to you.